Patrick with Babel Stake Pool. Can you hear me?
Actually, I can't hear you right now.
Give me 1 second. Hear me. Okay.
Some technical difficulties here. I'm not sure what's going on.
Okay. Well,
I think it's on my end. So.
Well, while you work that out, I'm going to tell people about your stake pool. You run a stake pool called Babel Stake Pool. And we did a segment with you a couple months ago on your Cardano update. And what I really liked was that why did you name your stake pool Babel?
So actually, I think that Babel is a very cool historical place, and it's basically like the biblical representation of diversity. That's at least the way I interpret it. I'm not a very Christian person or anything like that, but I always liked and enjoyed the story of Babel, right? So that's basically the inspiration, and I'm also just really into history, so
Really?
Yeah.
Very cool. Computer science and history. You're studying computer science, right?
Yeah, I am. I'm studying computer science here in Stuttgart, in Germany. The city with all the cars, and yeah.
And talk to me about this NFT minting tool. You dropped it yesterday, and I couldn't believe it. It even handles the picture. Talk to me about this story of just coming up with this thing.
Honestly, it's been crazy. I just got very inspired by this whole space buds thing and all these NFT drops that have been coming out, right? And I just thought, oh my God, I need to do something right now. I can't be sitting here on the sidelines. I need to work and publish some cool tools. And then I just got to it, worked on it. It's been less than 2 weeks of development, and yeah. Now we're here, and the response has been super overwhelming. We've gotten so many NFTs minted already. Actually, we're running into a lot of scaling problems right now. So I really hope that you can mint one live on air. If not, that might happen right now. We're working on the updates all the time currently. So yeah.
Cool. All right. Well, we got a question in the chat, and I'm going to go to that real quick. Do you guys know if we can put NFTs on the Trezor? Noob question. LOL. You know the answer to that, Patrick?
I think so, yeah. I mean, the Trezor is just a normal, key, normal wallet. So, of course, you can put your NFTs on the Trezor.
Yeah. You absolutely can. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Patrick's NFT minting tool. And I've already been playing around with it, and it's very, really simple, really easy. Can you talk a little bit about the process of developing this?
Yeah, so I didn't do it alone. I asked my friend. He's a graphic designer, basically, and he designed the whole front end. His name is Fahim. And yeah, I developed the back end, so I did all the minting stuff on a separate server and all that stuff, right? And we just tried to make it very simple for the users, right? It should be super easy to mint your own NFT, and that's the result. As I mentioned, we have so many customers basically who try to mint their own NFTs that we've been running into a lot of scaling problems. It's absolutely incredible. We have I think over 200 NFTs now on the page.
Wow.
Yeah, and we're working very hard on the back end to get all that working, and it's basically a minimum viable product at this point, but we're gonna develop it further and see where it leads us.
Any thoughts on bringing this over to Catalyst?
Yeah, many people have suggested that, and it's actually a good idea, I think. If we can get some funding, we can definitely continue working on it and maybe integrate like a store, a marketplace, or auction house, or whatever. So yeah, I'm definitely thinking about it.
All right, well, talk to Door.
Very soon.
Talk to Door and tell him that I sent you.
Okay, I will.
Okay. All right, so how about we mint this token? And
sure.
So I'm not sure if you were watching the show, but we just minted a Kever Tails coin with Mermata Metro Stake Pool. And so I figured if we got a Tails coin, we're going to need a Heads coin. So I did some graphics. We weren't able to get the graphics into the Tails coin initially up front. We're going to work on that behind the scenes. But so this is our Heads coin. A beautiful piece of art, don't you think? I think so.
Very beautiful, so pretty. It's gonna be worth a lot one day.
Maybe. Yeah, somehow I doubt that. But we are going to give these NFTs away. And the first two Cardano wallet addresses in the live chat will get the Heads and Tails coins. So that's how we're going to give them out. You guys can start working on that. But all right, so let's do this. First thing we're going to do is drag our file into right here, I believe. There we go. Kever Heads coin. Next. All right, we're going to call this the Kever Heads coin.
Great name.
Thank you. Partial to it myself. Let's see, we'll do twitch.tv/James Kever. Talk to me about Arrowweave. I saw this on the other NFT minting site. Can you talk to me a little bit about this? I don't know nothing about it.
Yeah, so actually I don't know much about it either. It's just some new kind of blockchain which specializes in keeping NFTs or keeping data online for a long time, and you can basically pay people to keep your data online. And it seems to become a new standard of some kind. So I've actually never tried it. I've never done it, so I can't really say if it's good or not. But people seem to like it, so that's why I put it in there.
Well, it's in there. All right, and we've got our first address in the live chat, so one of those coins is gone. All right, and so now we've got to, after the payment, we will mint the NFT and send it back to your wallet. The process can take several minutes. Send 10 ADA. Let me copy this.
Okay, so this is important.
Okay.
You have to send the exact amount specified there, right?
Okay.
So this, like exactly the 10.003828.
Okie dokie. So let me find a wallet here to use. I guess we can do this same one also. And we're going to send. And we're going to go back here and get that exact amount of ADA. And why does it have to be exact, Patrick?
Yeah, so we currently use the amount of ADA to map it to the addresses, right? So we basically have to know which NFT belongs to which person, and that's unfortunately without smart contracts very difficult to do. So we use this system. This is also the system that SpaceBots used, for example, or many other used. Yeah, the copying is not working in Yoroi very well. I tried it as well.
Okay, no worries. We can get it.
But yeah, let's just hope that everything works here as expected. As I said, scaling problems. So it might be that this NFT will be slightly delayed. Don't worry. Once you pay, it's basically on the backlog and it will not be ignored or anything, but it might not be live on stream that you receive it. We'll see.
Well, you know, one thing I've learned doing these Twitch live streams is that you never really know what's going to happen.
That's true. That's very true. Oh, so you do use a Trezor. That's very cool.
I love the Trezor. I did a story on your Cardano update about multi-pool delegation. And a guy found a workaround for that when he saw Susanna Gira's segment where she talked about, I don't know, delegating to like 20 pools, something ridiculous like that. She was managing that many keys wallet phrases. And so when I found, when the guy contacted me about this, I got one. And it's just I feel like it's a much better hardware wallet than Ledger. You know, Ledger, half the time it wouldn't work. I'd have to start over. That's never happened with Trezor.
Yeah, I'm also not very happy with Ledger, to be honest. So yeah, I might have to try the Trezor one day.
Oh, it's so brilliant. I love it. All right. Okay, everything should be good to go. Let's see. Hold to confirm. Boom. All right, now it should be outie. Okay, cool. So we're just going to keep an eye on this wallet, and hopefully everything works out. Okay, we've got our second address. So those coins are gone. Once I get the graphics working for that Tails coin, I'll make sure to get them sent out. But so I'm
Very
pretty
cool.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I did a live stream on Wednesday, and not one person tuned in the whole time. I was a little bit.
Really?
Yeah, but then afterwards, people watched it, and it's just something, you know, I'm just gonna have to work on and just get better at. And you know, I feel like I've kind of gotten there with the show, your Cardano update. I have that workflow down. The live stream thing, it's not. It's very much a learning process.
I see. Yeah, live streams are very difficult. I tried to do one as well recently. And it's very hard because you have to have a lot of followers to be really interactive. And then when it's interactive, it's amazing. But before you hit that certain level, it's kind of stale. And
well,
yeah.
we've got some interaction coming in from the chat. I'll like turn it on over there real quick. But yeah, Frankie Mellon, he says, you know, it's also the time of day for him at least. And then Kosladul. Hi James, love your channel. Keep going. We love you. Thank you very much. Yeah, Patrick, it's just something I'm gonna have to keep doing until I eventually get into a routine. But it's something I really want to do, and it's not just you know, I could live stream on YouTube and I could get that audience like that. You know, I've almost got 2,000 subscribers on the channel. But really what I'm after is the 20-something Twitch crowd. You know, they're all playing video games, and there's this really cool thing called Cardano that I want to tell them about. So I'm really hoping that we can get, you know, people on Twitch interested in Cardano. And then, you know, eventually I will do some streaming on YouTube, but not right now. All right.
Yeah, that's very cool. All right, so the data has been sent.
Yep,
let's hope everything works. It should work. But yeah, as I mentioned, it's like completely insane. My wallet is filled with transactions out and in and out and in. It's
now where is the page with all of the ones people have already made?
That's actually on the main page. So if you click on the logo on the left-hand side,
yeah, these are some tokens that people have already made. Let's give it a second to kind of load, but these are really cool. And you know,
yeah, some of them are really amazing.
Yeah, it's probably dangerous going through this in case somebody has put something inappropriate. But you know, I've got some photos that I would like to turn into NFTs. It's pretty interesting. And what does it make you feel like inside when you look at this and see what other people have done with your tool?
I'm super happy. It's just absolutely amazing. It's like somehow the whole Cardano community is just waiting for these tools and these products, and then they come out, and all of them just, you know, jump on them and build their own stuff, and they use their skills to just develop NFTs or develop whatever. It doesn't really matter. It's just amazing. It's a huge enabler. So yeah, I'm actually getting pessimistic about your token. So yeah, it's definitely on the backlog, but as I mentioned, we have some database problems because of the huge mass of tokens.
I'm getting someone in the live chat is saying that I may have sent the ADA to the wrong address. I was kind of in a couple different addresses.
Oh yeah, I can see it by one. Yeah, that's the wrong address, I think.
Oh, is it?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, let's do it over. That's okay.
Who did you send it to?
No, I thought I could have. I thought I did. I thought I came back here and copied this receive address. But all right, so we'll just do it again if that's okay, and we'll do it from this account. So let me get this receive address. Let's try this again.
Oh man. Can you show the address real quickly? Okay, so the ending is WYM. No, not Y. Always. So the copy button is not working. You have to copy it manually. Very sorry about that. So
that is what I put
Yeah.
in. Yeah, that's the mistake I made.
Yeah.
No worries. So this is the address that we want to receive. No. This is the address we send to.
Yeah, exactly.
So
we basically filter out your own address automatically and then just send it back. Also, someone in the chat is actually speaking in German.
Yeah.
So can you understand it?
I cannot understand German, no, but I'll pull it up real quick.
He's saying "Gut gemacht, Patrick." Thank you for that. It basically just means well done.
Oh, very good. Very good. All right, let's get back here. Let's finish this, what we're doing here. All right, so that is the... Okay, this is the address.
Yeah, that should be the correct address.
Okay, and then so we need to get 10.00.3905.
Yeah. 10.00.3905.
Okay. Last check, just make sure it's all right. 3905. Add a memo.
Looks good.
I understand. Minting Patrick's NFT.
Oh, another person from Austria is in your chat. So
Right.
the German-speaking people are dominating today. Switzerland. Wow.
Patrick, one of the coolest things about the Trezor is that you can add these passphrases, and they essentially add a word to your secret keywords, and you get just a fresh set of wallets. So you only have to have one set of keywords, but you can have different wallets that you got to keep track of different. Yeah, it's very, very awesome.
I've been extremely pleasantly surprised by how easy it is to use it just by watching you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's definitely not the ledger.
Yeah, the ledger is... I've had many problems with the ledger. I also have this YubiKey now, which is also really, really cool.
Oh, I love the YubiKey.
Yeah. Such an thing.
Okay, let's see. Huh, had a problem. Get in here.
Yeah, maybe the transaction fee changed or anything. No, it actually doesn't change, right?
Oh, wait a second. That's a different... No wonder it's not working. I'm using the wrong passphrase. It's not going to work again.
Yes.
Let me... Yep, sorry. I screwed that up. All right, we'll try one more time. No passphrase for the main wallet. There we go. All right, now it should send out. All right, so let's take a quick look over at the chat. Yeah, we've got hello from Switzerland, Austria, Germany. Really appreciate you guys tuning in. And how is anyone else? Are you guys just Cardano fans, or are you cryptocurrency fans? I'm just curious about the people watching, where they stand with Cardano. Okay, so we're now seeing that transaction. It's showing up.
Okay, let's hope everything is working.
Both.
Do you want to hear about the funniest bug we've encountered?
Sure.
So at the beginning, when we just uploaded the whole thing, right? There was this bug that basically when you write the wrong number of the wrong ADA payment, what's it called? Amount of ADA, right? And it's still there. If you write the wrong amount of ADA, you can get some random NFT from someone else, which is of course not what you want at all. But yeah, you actually received it.
Very cool. Oh yeah, there it is. Awesome. Great.
Awesome. Kever Heads Coin. Wow.
Yay. Perfect. It sure did. Awesome. That is so cool. And we're getting people in the chat saying that they love Cardano. Cardano is the future. Please keep us updated with anything. You can believe I will. And what I would really like to do is invite people to call in and have like a Twitch call-in show and like hear people and their Cardano story. I would just love to get to know people that way, and we'll see if we can make that happen. But for right now, I just want to thank you very much, Patrick, for your help with this and coming on the show. We're going to send those coins out, and I just can't thank you enough for coming on the show and talking with us.
Thank you for having me.
This is Patrick with Babel Stake Pool, ticker BABEL. Patrick, we really, is it BABEL or BAB? Am I?
BABEL.
All right, good. BABEL. Patrick, we really appreciate your time today.
Thank you.
All right, take care.